Good morning. I I was having a productivity stream today, and instead we're here. Instead, this is where we are. I was trying to see, not this. Okay, so literally everything's about 20 besides culinary. This is okay. I need to look something. Oh, we're gonna. There was a plan for today. I don't know what it was. I'm trying to order food because should I be going to sleep? Yes. Other. I wanted to unlock some classes today. I made a list of things I wanted to do. Oh. Okay, these are not helpful for a bit, I heard. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what to order. Ooh. There you go. Wait. ITG. Oh, you messed that up. How do you? Oh. Who? Arvale. talk to. Make the stream right when I wake up. Sometimes funny. Have we considered this is when I get home from work? All right, mining time. I got botanist to 38. I'm trying to get this to. How do I get there? How do I... It definitely told me how to. Yesterday when I got. Yeah, I was pretty pissed. I like left a VC. I almost left the server. I was so pissed. Okay, I need to organize these. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, is there a summoning bell right here? Okay. Ugh. Okay. Seeds. I think this person has seeds. Yeah. Seed. I have 3 Fantasia. The other one has my Fantasia, I think. Nope, Fantasia 3. Okay, so she has. Okay. We have to figure this out. We have to figure this out. Alright. Materia. This friend's gonna hold my materia. Seedlings. Oh, shit. I don't know how to do that. Don't do that. I can go here. The gardening. Yeah, they were like low-key yelling at me in a VC, like, you're not doing it correctly. And I was like, what do you mean I'm not doing it correctly? How do you do it wrong? He's like, you're not da 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 da. And I was like, da 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 da. And I was like, da 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 da. I'm like, da 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 da. Oh. That's how that went. I wish there was a way to like a sorting. Is the reagent? Alright, Athena has all my crafting gear. Oh, I meant to give Nasty. Let me take all this. Good thing I checked. Yes, we are starting off stream by me organizing my shit. That's how we're starting off stream. Because this is going to bother me to no end. Did I make these? No. Okay. Or two max height road. Oh yes, big chested cat and bunny as retainers. Those are my old characters. I just deleted all my old characters because I don't like having multiple characters in MMOs. Right, she has. Yeah, and they call my character ugly and I was like, bro, why? They're like, you need to change your character. She looks too da 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 da. I was like, bruh. I was like, I like how she looks. Does that mean nothing? Right, I want her to have. Well, this is the one I want to have my crafting stuff. I just don't organize my crafting stuff now. Okay. Oh, this music goes somewhere. I'm just putting it here for now. I thought whatever. Okay, so she has all my reagents. I have so much food stuff, so I guess I'll just take all the food stuff and see what I can make. I don't think she has that much food stuff. No, not really. I mean, for realsy, anything I can't use right now, I'll probably just sell. For being completely honest. Let's see. Bomb ash. Grenade. Illumin. Get it? Oh, that's straw. Okay. Okay. Olive. Okay, let's see. Right. I literally wrote a whole thingy. I literally wrote a whole thingy. Wrote a whole thing. Whole thing. Fine. Okay. What am I? I don't know. I think I'm a miner. Wait. While I mine, I'll order food. Yeah, you may be wondering, Lumen, what could you be ordering for food? So many hash browns. Okay. So many hash browns. Wait, I need my chocolate. I didn't really read what I said. Let me read that in a second. Yeah, I'll be here. Actually, there's a macro I haven't put on. Hold on. Ooh, I hit the wrong thing. Okay, that's why. Oh, I looked up job leveling. Teamcraft. Don't attack me. Where's the... Wait, there's not a macros for this. Macros for this? There's something else out of macros. That was for crafting. Ow. Pew, 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 pew. We'll do some main quests today at some point, and we'll do something else. We're doing a lot today. I'll be up for a little bit. Meow meow. I might get myself to 30 and just do 2 job quests that way. Then I want to get Weaver to 50. One of my friends told me he did like a 12-hour crafting gathering. Like, holy. I was telling Nelly, I was like, yeah, like, usually I put up a show or something, but I can't put up a show when I'm streaming. Oh. Hello, Lacord. How are you enjoying the game so far based on your current progress with Stormblood? I love it. Heavensward did me dirty. I took a year-long break. But I'm back now. I'm slowly getting through Stormblood. I think I'm pacing myself a bit better. Like right now I'm on a gathering thing. But it's been very fun. I'm pretty early in Stormblood main quest. I'm pretty sure. I think I'm literally in like the first 10 quests for it. We're not that far in. But thank you for asking. I appreciate it. We got it. I don't know. Maybe it won't. I don't know how long it'll take me to get to 30. Maybe I'll aim for 27. But now I see how you can level gathering quickly. Diadem. I see what you all mean now. It makes sense now. Bam, 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 bam. Whee. Pa, 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 pa. I know there's an etiquette to this because I see someone right there, but we ball. Playing since 2016, I love watching people playing the game just starting out. Anything in particular looking forward to in the game? Well, the only thing I looked forward to when I started the game was Haurchefant. And well, we all know how that went. So, I'm excited. I keep hearing about Shadowbringers. So I'm excited to see that. I feel like there's this, I heard, I was I don't want to say I was spoiled because I wasn't even playing the game, but I saw a clip of someone at the end of Endwalker doing something. I don't know. It was like a big field. It was so cute. So, because like I think a ton of people showed up for him. It was so cute and made me cry. So I want to see the context for that. I'll eventually get there. But no, I'm just enjoying the game, seeing everything. I know Gorahata comes back again. I don't know when, but I can't wait to see my husband. Yeah. All that good stuff. Really just everything the game has to offer. I don't know if there's anything to really look forward to because I don't know anything. I have so far avoided so many spoilers for the game. Like, I didn't even know when Haurchefant was going to die. I knew he was going to die. Didn't know when. So that was very heartbreaking when it actually happened. Anything else? Have no idea for. I am a blind child with this game. Yee. No, I wasn't spoiled. Haurchefant, the only reason I was spoiled for Haurchefant was because I saw like a TikTok edit before I even started playing the game. So that was like just a very random thing. But I know nothing else really. And the Grahata thing, I only know about that because I was reading fanfiction and so he came back. So a fanfiction spoiled that. But I've been a concerted effort to avoid any potential spoilers now. My chat's been very good about not spoiling me, thankfully. And if anyone even tries to do something, I don't know the context to put it together, and they all yell at each other. It's great. I love it. When they yell at each other, not the spoiling part. Spout and Diadem based. Listen, I just unlocked the Diadem. And I need to get a multi-stream chat. The fanfic makes us suffer. Listen, at least the fanfic Harshafant's alive. I'm gonna get a multi-chat widget eventually. You guys can see everyone's chats. But yeah. I'm just a little guy in the Diadem. I'm gonna finally level all my crafting a little bit. I've been neglecting. Plus, I just woke up, or I just got out of work, so this is calming me down because I got yelled at when I left work. And then I did something embarrassing, and I never want to show my face there again. I worked there tonight, but I can pretend. I can pretend. Also, I just realized the game's low. Game volumes. I know it's out now, but it's lower than it should. There we go. Yeah. But yeah, I had someone tell me yesterday that because I don't do dailies every day and don't focus on leveling my main job, that I am not playing the game correctly. Mind you, they story skip and I'm invested in the stories. Fair enough, went through pain to get mine to 100, so more power to me. Yeah. I like to level it along with the expansion, so I try to have everything a similar level. I think everything except for Culinarian is in the 20s. That's when I sort of was locked into the main quest because I just wanted to get through AR. But we now are grinding. Plus, I usually watch a show while doing this, and I can play this while at work, so I can actually grind this while at work, or grind crafting and gathering while at work. But yeah. For now, just me, my own little world. For gatherers, there are manuals that your grand company help boost. Yeah. I've heard about Grand Company stuff. I have not checked into my Grand Company in so long. I was supposed to do that. I completely forgot. I'll remember to do that. There's just so much stuff. There's so much stuff. Is this a fellow Omnicrafter in the makings? Yes! I will be a master crafter. That is my end game. This is my little hyperfixation. I didn't bring my laptop to work today. I just started playing again after months of not playing. I started playing again yesterday or the day before, and I played 7 hours straight, and I was like, okay, I've done enough of the main quest. Let me go back to crafting. And then I saw how much of a mess my inventory was, and I was like, oh, never mind. So whole time I was at work, I was like, I can't play because of maintenance. So ay. But I will slowly but surely get there. Yeah. You're gonna love retainers then? Yeah. I have 2 retainers is the problem. It was I forgot about my my Chocobo's bag. And then I was like, I have 2 retainers whose inventory is almost maxed. I was like, because I'm a hoarder. I will fully acknowledge that. I am a hoarder in games. So you can imagine how much a mess my inventory was. I organized it a little bit, but I'm still scared to mess with anything. So let's see. When I say I get this to 28, I mean, I can get to 30 until my food gets here. Oh, my food's here. Shit. Did it get here? Oh, it just got here. Give me 1 second. In which case, We leave. 4 extra and they're almost full. I'm no better. Oh my goodness gracious. I'll be right back. But yes, a little follows me. Yeah. Funny, when I started streaming, I lived in an apartment complex. It took 5 minutes. So spoiled right now. Be a shame when I'm back in an apartment again. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's see. I could go to that quest or consider. Wait, wrong one. Okay. We'll go do this. We'll do some of the main quests. Since I have food and can... Oh, there's... It's such a peaceful song for this mount. When it's such a violent... La, 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 la. Starfall. Very interesting name it has. This is such a large area. I feel like I'm not talking a lot, but that's because I'm like locked in, which I'm rarely locked in for games. For those who know, I'm rarely locked in. Okay, that was a sweet little thing he just said. Thank you for your service now and ever after. Maybe my mom's right and I am PMSing because I've almost cried several times this damn game today. Or not today, but this week since I started playing again. Hiya. Missing recruit. Yo, FF40. I know, and people said, I think they said faint-hearted. I think someone said that like Shadowbringers would fuck me up more. And I'm like, please. I cried so much when Haurchefant died. There were real tears streaming down my face, especially since I missed it when he died. And I was like saying his name because I heard someone say Haurchefant. I was like, oh, that's how you say it, Haurchefant, Haurchefant, Haurchefant. I was like, why are we saying Haurchefant? Turn back, he's dead. I'm never looking away during a cutscene again. Never again. Never again. I've cried so much from this damned game that I played. The only reason I even started playing this game was because I started this character specifically when I was like, I had COVID or something. I was like, oh, I was like, I should restart it, or start again, or resume it. And this game has caused me pain and taken so much money, but that's fine. But it's caused me so much pain and suffering. Oh, people are messaging me. Alright, I'm trying to see. My friend's having a freak out. You were talking about a snake, weren't you? I heard 104 crystal here to for true. Oh bugger, oh bugger. Oh god, she'll be fine. I read his name was Patroclus, and I was very concerned what Achilles' lover was doing as a shark, but now I see. Now I see. Now I see the truth of the matter. I'm having the time of my life right now. This is great. I love this game. Oops, okay. The fuck? Meow, meow, meow. So busy practicing to impress others. Oh, good. Who are you? I'll deal with you. Oh, I guess I can deal with you right now. I have enough room in my quest log. I hit to my blanket on. I have a heated blanket. Heated blanket. I have yet to mess with my sightseeing log. That will be my endgame thing. Or if I'm supremely bored. Freezing. Ooh. I want to be a snake lady. Ugh. The envy I feel seeing these snake women. Hmm. Here, I'll help you out. If not, enjoy. Yeah, have fun doing Ming Quest. Thank you for stopping by. Appreciate. Pulling up my phone. Oh, I'm getting spam followed. God. Very cool. No. Yeah. Always down to see people. I'm just very awkward if I see people. I forget I can get perceived. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate. Ooh. Oh wait, no, not her. Not yet. Fragrance. Can I hop in this? Will I die? Maybe. I'm safe. Okay. Oh, and there's a person over here. Sweet. Birds once. Thank you. Good luck to you as well. Future rust, future dust. That is a very ominous little thing. Oh, he's at the top. Okay. Meow. Hash brown here. My friends are all playing like regular games, and I'm here like
Final Fantasy.
I literally texted the guy I'm talking to. I was like, "Have you heard of the acclaimed MMORPG Final Fantasy 14?" Like whatever the copy pasta was, I said that. Wait. This one. I'll let you guys know if it's Riz or not. This is very ominous. What's this like? Oof. That person actually had a name. Thinks of you as friend, not food. I love this shark. He's so majestic when he flies. Wait, wrong. I'm about to sleep like a baby from eating and then playing my. Yep, that's what I said. Okay, well, that was depressing. Okay. Oh, I need a nap before dinner. Dinner is at 5. Oh, chocobos, they look like mine! Wait. Bum bum bum. This is gonna make me depressed. This is gonna make me depressed. I'm gonna get so sad. I'm gonna get so sad for this fucking game. Definitely. Okay, let me go grab my comfy. I'm freezing. Well, wasting. Looks so not. Oh. Oh, cold chocolate. Oh. What's my minions? No. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, and I was gonna run in 4 minutes. Or 20. Ow. Who even is it? I think that brings you straight back here. Someone pointed out on Twitter, I think, that canonically the majority of these expansions, like, all happened in under a year. What do you mean my baby girl's suffering like that? What do you mean my baby girl's suffering that much? I was like, there ain't no way. I don't want to know. I'm not questioning. I don't want to know. What? The worst part is I don't trust anyone, so now I'm like, I'm scared that we're gonna get betrayed again. Who is texting me? I have a oh shit, I have a check mark now. Also, Kuronami's bag. There's a new Silas spicy banner. We have no money by the end of this month. Oh my. Oh, there's something in my face. I think I got it. My God. I'm gonna crash out. I think I got it. No, that's not what it was, but I'm gonna just gaslight myself. I say and then I feel it in me. Okay, fine. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, 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 cool. A barber. Ishura. Oh, this is so. Ooh, what will you say? This one. And I'm thinking of Haurchefant as I say this. Are those we have lost? Haurchefant. I'm gonna cry again. You know what? Hold on. I need, before I do this, I need to do it real quick. I need to do this real quick. I need to do this real quick. I need to do it. Care about this freaking person. All right. I'm just gonna casually chill. I'm so chill. So chill right now, chat.
But my God, I want to.
Oh, no, that's not it.
Lives to serve, Father.
Oh, this one's sad. No! Wait, that's actually worse!
There is no greater calling for a knight than to save the life of his fellow man. Look out! I swear to you, on the sigil of our house, that I shall do this and make you proud. Even
What do you mean? What do you mean? Haurchefant was in love with that. I hate it here.
Your return is most timely. Of their own accord, my thoughts had turned to your task and the progress thereof. I confess my imaginings tended toward the grim and bloody.
I still have things I want to tell you.
Wait, can I give Karchi a
Okay, if you had to marry a baseball
You know what? This is actually a mistake because now I'm actually about to cry on stream again. We're not gonna do that right now. Anyways. Oh my god. Now I'm upset. Now I'm actually upset. God damn it. I'm depressed. I don't know if I can ever have a husband like Harshit, but I don't know if anyone's gonna quell that ache. A long ass one. I'm depressed. I should probably actually go do this real quick. Yeah, I can go do this real quick. Oh, I'm depressed and I'm sad. Depressed and sad and I'm sad and depressed. Oh, that's okay. I really need a glam for this. Hold on. What do I have? I don't even know what I have. I mean, I guess we'll work with what we got right now. It's not fully perfect. It's fine. It's a makeshift. I'll make the rest they do. Ugh. I hate Lalas. I hate them. I hate them. Meow 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 meow. I'm getting EP, but I'm determined to stay up for a bit. At least to hit 2 hours. We'll unlock Samurai. There's a few things. Oh, that's in. Oh, that's here. Sorry, I'm like a little too locked in. Wait. The fuck? Oh. I can't read it. Alright, I have never played a melee DPS in this game. It's gonna go so bad. How is there insufficient armor? Oh. Okay, let me see. Hello, Ken. I'm good. How are you doing? Going well, thank you. There. I'm gonna lose terribly. You know, oh, I've lost my sanctuary. I'm gonna die. Oh, I've been doing this wrong. So pretty. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, pew, pew. Why is he dressed like that? Oh. That truly was his Final Fantasy's crazy work, Jassy. Okay, I'm gonna go die. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Okay. Sorry, I had to... I had to... Oh, the message I just sent to someone. Okay, time to go die. I'm so EP, chat. I'm so EP right now. It's like I just got hit by a wave of eeps. Oh. I'm like so EP. I might have to eep. I might have to eep. It's only going to be 2 hours stream. Oh my god. We'll finish the samurai and then I'm going to go eep. Oh my god. Okay. Chat. I'll stream later. I need to sleep. Good night. Good night.